Hello guys, Bogdan Bratis from Saspod here. Today I'm going to show you how you can upload and distribute your podcast to Spotify within 3 minutes or less. Logging into Saspod. If you don't have a podcast on Saspod, go to saspod.com/hosting and choose one of the plans in there. Ensure that within your Saspod account you have a show created, and then in there you need to click edit. So to get to this page, go to podcast and then click edit and add all the fields in here, such as title, description, author, copyright, category. Everything you see in here is mandatory. The category one is especially important for visibility reasons. If you don't choose the right category, your podcast may not be as visible. So make sure that your category matches the niche of your podcast. You need to ensure that this slider is green. So it's not like that, it's green. And then hit save. Once you've done that, inside the podcast, you'll need to ensure that you have one episode published. So if you don't have one, just click on new episode and then import an audio file and then write everything in all the fields, making sure that everything is complete. Luckily, I already have one prepared for you, so I don't need to do this. And ensure that the episode itself is published as well, because you could have the episode unpublished. So it could be like that. So ensure that it's published. Once that's published, you need to go into distribute podcast. And then in here, you're going to have Spotify as an option. Go to add podcast. Select a podcast. As you can see, I have two different podcasts, so two different shows. One is my actual show and the other one is the dummy show that I just created. So I will choose content marketing podcast. And then in here, you may have some warnings. If something is wrong with your account, you will have some warnings. You'll need to fix that. These are just informational advisory warnings, so you don't need to worry about that. And then after that, you want to copy the RSS feed that we created for you. And then you will need to click on this one, create a free account on Spotify for podcasters, or log in. And then once you've done that, you will be prompted to obviously create an account. I already have an account with Spotify, so I don't need to do that again. And then what you need to do is go in here, add a new show, and then find an existing show somewhere else. Where's your show hosted? Is somewhere else. It's not on Spotify for Creators, not Megaphone. It's somewhere else. Click on that and then paste in the link. It looks good. So we're gonna move forward with that. In some cases, you may receive a code from Spotify in order to ensure that you actually own this podcast. You paste in the code. You hit next. You choose your country. You want to ensure that the right language is set in here as well. You will choose this as other or I don't know. And then primary category, you will choose the category that fits your podcast the best. And then you go and hit next. You can actually choose up to 3 options in here. And then once you've done that, just hit submit and your podcast is ready to the public on Spotify. Hopefully that makes sense. And if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. I will be more than happy to help. Thank you.